Hi, my name is Ollie Scholler, and I'm Vice President of Product Development here at HJ3. We're presenting to you today our StrongHold Residential products. These systems are built upon 30 years of full-scale testing and have been used successfully across the globe in thousands of applications for repairing bridges, industrial applications, and preventing damage from earthquakes. We package all of these products under ISO 9001 to bring you the most high-performance system on every order. Bowing walls and basements are a common occurrence. The water and soil loads causes a basement wall to bow inwards. As the wall bows, the wall will crack. These cracks could expand and allow water into your home. They can also cause concerns during home inspections and delay the sale of your home. If left unaddressed, bowing walls could potentially collapse over time. We've invented the StrongHold Bowing Wall Repair System, which utilizes high-strength carbon fiber and epoxy resin to keep your wall from bowing inwards. This is going to prevent additional cracks from forming, and once the bowing wall repair system is installed, you can paint it and drywall over it. During basement wall repairs, you will often encounter low spots which need to be filled or high spots that need to be transitioned before you can apply carbon fiber. We've invented the StrongHold filler to be applied at thicknesses up to 1 inch without sagging. Simply combine the two products and apply with a spatula or trowel to fill low spots and transition over high spots before applying the StrongHold carbon fiber. Next up, we have Ed Rosato, our head trainer, to walk you through what's included in our StrongHold repair systems.
Hi, my name is Ed Rosato, and I'm the project manager here at HJ3. Today I will be going over with you what's inside our bowing wall kits. In our boxes, we have 3 bags. Bag number 1, we have our primer. Bag number 2, we have our saturant. We provide you guys with enough primer and saturant to be able to do your install no matter the size. And this is our carbon fiber, which is different from our crack repair. Crack repair is bidirectional. This is our uni. So this can only be installed in one direction only, whether it's vertical, whether it's horizontal. And stick around because I will be showing you how to install it next.